Hi and welcome to the Tristan channel, and in this video I'll be talking about an old-time classic, the Angel Heart film, and the ring that was in the film. That has become itself a popular piece of jewellery in culture. Now, if if you haven't seen the film, then go watch it first, as this video contains spoilers. Angel Heart, released in 1987 and directed by Alan Parker, is a gripping psychological thriller that delves into the dark realms of the supernatural, morality, and the quest for redemption. Set in the smoky, mysterious streets of 1950s New Orleans. The film weaves a complex narrative that keeps its audience on the edge of their seat. With its exceptional ensemble cast and intricate storytelling, Angel Heart explores themes of guilt, identity, and the nature of evil, leaving viewers engrossed in a world of suspense and uncertainty. As for the plot and the characters, well, the film revolves around Harry Angel, played by Mickey Rourke, a private detective with a troubled past who finds himself hired by the enigmatic Louis Cypher, played by Robert De Niro. Harry is tasked with locating a missing person called Johnny Favourite, a former crooner who mysteriously disappeared after World War II. As Harry delves deeper into the case, he becomes entangled in a web of supernatural occurrences and disturbing revelations. Along the way, he encounters the seductive and enigmatic Epiphany Proudfoot, played by Lisa Bonet, who adds another layer of intrigue to the story. The themes, well, Angel Heart delves into a range of thought-provoking themes throughout its runtime. The exploration of guilt and redemption is a central element of the film. Harry's search for Johnny Favourite becomes, at its core, a journey of self-discovery and redemption as he confronts his own horrifying past. The narrative raises questions about the nature of evil and the price one must pay for their actions. Mystery and suspense. Well, one of the film's strongest aspects is its ability to create an atmosphere of constant tension and suspense. The dark, atmospheric setting of 1950s New Orleans provides the perfect backdrop for a mystery filled with supernatural occurrences and unsettling revelations. Alan Parker expertly builds and maintains suspense throughout the film, keeping audiences hooked until the very end. As for the performances and direction, the performances in Angel Heart are truly exceptional. Mickey Rourke brings a haunted vulnerability to his portrayal of Harry, expertly capturing the character's internal struggle and gradual descent into madness. Robert De Niro's portrayal of Louis Cypher is chilling and charismatic, adding an air of mystery and temptation to the film. And yes, as you've guessed it, the clue is in his name. His name is a cipher, or I can't remember what the word is, of the name Lucifer. Lisa Bonet shines as Epiphany, showcasing her talent in a role that juxtaposes innocence with darkness. Alan Parker's direction effectively navigates the narrative's complex twists and turns, keeping the audience engaged in the story's puzzle-like structure. As for cinematography and score, well, the film's cinematography, both atmospheric and visually stimulating, Michael Cerasan captures the essence of 1950s New Orleans with his moody shots, using dim lighting to heighten the sense of mystery and intrigue. The haunting and medleys score by Trevor Jones further amplifies the film's mood, intricately weaving itself into the fabric of Angel Heart's sinister narrative. So my conclusion of the film itself is Angel Heart remains a timeless psychological thriller that engages viewers with its gripping storyline, strong performances, and striking visuals. Alan Parker's direction takes audiences on a dark and twisted journey into the depths of the human psyche, exploring themes of guilt, redemption, and the blurred lines between good and evil. Sorry. The film's ability to maintain suspense and mystery until the very end creates an immersive cinematic experience that lingers long enough after the credits roll. Angel Heart solidifies its place as a cult classic and continues to be regarded as one of the most intriguing and memorable films of its genre. The infamous Lewis cipher ring. One fateful afternoon 30 years ago, in New York-based jewellery designer Alex Streeter was working in a back room at his Epimus store, I can pronounce that, in Soho. Two gentlemen entered the shop and approached the artist, identifying themselves as the art directors for Alan Parker's then in production supernatural thriller Angel Heart. They then proceeded to tell Streeter that they felt he was in fact the strangest jeweller in town and hired him on the spot to create a distinctive collection in silver to be worn by the film's stars, Robert De Niro and Charlotte Rampling. Thus the famous, or perhaps infamous, Angel Heart ring, a pentagram in amber orb held aloft by two rams, and soon to become Streeter's signature work, was born. One memorable scene in Angel Heart sees De Niro's sinister character slowly rolling a boiled egg on a plate as Mickey Rourke's character stares at his amazing ring. That kind of sounds dodgy. Since the film's release in 1987, Alex Streeter's impeccably carved and beautifully crafted jewellery has been worn by the likes of Jimmy Page, Steven Tyler, Axl Rose, Madonna, Kirk Douglas of The Roots, and Marilyn Manson, and seen in the pages of fashion Bibles throughout the world over. Sorry. But it's not just rock stars who covet his fine craftsmanship. It's people wanting to feel like a rock star, or a sorcerer perhaps, who are attracted to his singular occult-inspired handworks. Alex Streeter's work obviously isn't for everyone, but for those who are attracted to it, it can be an obsession. But did they choose to wear his work? Or did his work choose them to wear it? It's probably a little of both. Hey, I have 4 variations of the ring myself, albeit not originals, as an original would cost you 3 figures. And it's such a cool ring and a popular attention and conversation piece for anyone who spots it in admiration. Sorry, I had a fucking itchy nose. I put some links below in case you wanted, if you fancied one yourself. And if you found this video insightful, then hit the like. And if you haven't, then please show support by subscribing to the channel. And until next time, take care and be well.